this video is going to be about how I came up with the idea of creating a mood board. And actually, I do believe in manifestations in life. So I'm gonna manifest few things for myself, and I'm going to tell you guys how I came up with my idea of vision board and what did I, searched and what references I got for the same. Right now, I'm currently making a coffee. I just make up a coffee and sit with you to tell you about how my whole mood board, vision board idea came to the life. So, yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm done with my coffee and done making my coffee. Now I'll have it while chatting with you guys. Here's my coffee. I don't know. Close up and show you. I'll add some random B-roll in between. So yeah, actually I love making coffee, having, sitting with myself, reflecting on the things. I mean, it sounds like very, romanticizing life, but I love to romanticize life because why not? Who wants life to be sadhu, right? So yeah, we can always romanticize the life. And yeah, so I was telling how I came up with my vision board. Actually, I would like to show you guys, but some of the things are really very personal, and so I won't actually exactly attach. Maybe I'll blur some of the parts that I don't want to reveal, and then maybe put some picture around here, and I'll show you how my vision board looks like. And yeah, so this is the first time I have ever created a vision board. Usually what I used to do is write a goal in my diary, and then वो डायरी ना ऐसे बंद पड़ी रहती थी. I used to look at it once in a while, and but this time I was very sure in my mind कि मुझे मेरे goals मेरे सामने चाहिए, so that every day I look at them and it gives me certain kind of motivation to push myself harder for the things that I want. And I haven't set like very unrealistic goals. They're very realistic. Yes, they are aspirational, but you got to be aspirational in life to achieve certain things. If you want your life to be, more than just a normal life. So yeah, so how I came up with the entire idea of the vision board is, so I was very confused at start कि शुरू कहाँ से करूँ, and I did not have any design template in my mind. But I was very sure I wanted the background to be, subtle, like sort of a beige color, and then put colorful things, or maybe theme that can go with very much of how I otherwise like things. Either I like black or white, or I like pastel colors. That's, yeah, and sometimes red here and there, depending on the mood. That's it. That's my entire wardrobe as well. So yeah. So what I did was I went on Pinterest. पहले तो मैंने विजन बोर्ड वाली वीडियो सर्च किया. Then I realized कि हर एक के लाइफ में गोल्स अलग है, हर एक का लाइफ स्टाइल अलग है. So it is very hard to find a kind of video from which I can take inspiration from. So yeah, it helped me in a way to, kind of maybe give the design idea of how I can design my vision board. But not very much. It was not that helpful. Then I went on Pinterest. I searched for the vision boards, mood boards. But now मुझे इतने सारे एक साथ देखे तो बहुत ये हो रहा था कि यार these are the goals. मुझे ये भी चाहिए, वो भी चाहिए, ये भी चाहिए. Because the mistake that I did was मैं directly Pinterest पे गई, and then I started looking for the things that I had in my mind कि ये करना है. But don't do that if you are yet to create your vision board, and it's never too late to do that. So yeah. So what I did afterwards is I realized I'm getting very much chaotic और ऐसा होगा नहीं. So I took up my book. I literally wrote everything. So what I searched on Pinterest is the categories of, mood boards, vision boards, how I can bifurcate it. So it gave me around 10-12 categories like, lifestyle, health, physical health, mental health. उसमें भी bifurcation था. So I chose the ones that I wanted to focus on. And I literally have one like classmate ka notebook in which I literally वो pic लेके I guess I can show this thing. Yeah, see, I don't know, मैंने सब कुछ pencil से लिखा है तो दिखेगा नहीं, but yeah. So these were the things that I wrote down, and I did break them down in the minute things on what I exactly want to achieve in those particular sections, and then I wrote them down. That's how I finalized everything. और फिर मैंने वो ढूंढा. For example, if wardrobe, I want to build my own style of clothing this year. I do imagine myself in, I recently realized in one event कि मुझ पे casual formals ना काफ़ी अच्छे लगता है. So I want to have that particular section. So I went on Pinterest. I searched for that कि casual formal outfits. I took the ones that I loved. और फिर मैंने वो pictures अपने vision board वाले इसमें add किए. Then मैं category wise गई, and that's how I finalized what I wanted. Then I picked some quotes that I have read, or the quotes that I relate with, or the quotes that I think is something that will help me push myself further while reading them and keep me grounded. So I took all that and then I put them into the design. So now how did I design those? So how did I do that was, just a second, I'll take a sip, otherwise coffee ठंडी हो जाएगी. Now how I did that was very simple. There's no rocket science in it. मैंने canvas से design उठाया, and I actually found the design that I loved. Like when I वो देखा ना, I'm like, yes, this is the design I want for my vision board, because that's the vision I had कि मुझे background page चाहिए था. तो and then फिर I put everything together, and that is where the art is. How you put the pictures, it should, look very nice and clean, but at the same time, it should pop colors. It should look nice, basically. So yeah, that's how I came with it. I can give you a sneak peek of how it should see. So that's how it looks. Thanks to Printo, they helped me with the printing. Those are the guys, not exactly, but my friends told me कि Printo के पास जा, Printo के store में जा, they will have an idea कि कौन सा paper पे print करना है, क्या है, and then you choose according to whatever you like. So I went, and yeah, I printed it, and I got it, and that's how I made my vision board. I think if you haven't done it till now, it's okay, but you should definitely do it. It takes the time, क्योंकि मैंने ये सारी चीज़ें ना कैफ़े में बैठ के, मैं 1.5 घंटा उस दिन कैफ़े में बैठ के मैं बस यही कर रही थी. I chose the pictures, I put them together, I created. It took me 1.5 hours क्योंकि once I started shortlisting, I started getting a blurry picture कि मुझे कैसा चाहिए. So it it costed me like 51 bucks. 51 rupees for that paper. So anyone can do it. So I think you should go, and because it feels nice ki okay. And I guess till the time this video will be out, it will be the next week. मतलब 15 दिन तो हो चुके होंगे. So I guess it just because I have all these things in front of me, I am able to achieve my daily goal, and I'm able to push myself more. Even on the days when I feel like glad to get to the gym, I have decided to show up for myself. So I'm going and doing that. So yeah, you should definitely try the vision board. It's really nice. It's really fun activity, and you get closer to what you really want. You get to reflect on a lot of things. So yeah, do it.